Okay, it's Luxury Fred, and I'm outside with one of the old cars that I have, which is a 2004 Toyota Solara. And if you're like me, and you have these plastic headlights, they get all foggy. See that? So the lights, even though the bulbs are good, the lights barely give off any light. So I bought this, the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. So it's a 3-step process. Basically, this is kind of a cleaner activator that gets all the old UV coating and stuff like that off. Then you have a rubbing compound, and then you have a kind of a polish and clear coat. Okay, so we start with this. Then we spray this. And then we leave that on for 30 seconds. And look how much the cleaner got off. See that? So the next step is to sand it. You have 3 grits. You have a 400, which is rough, then a 1000, then a 2000.
Starting with the roughest, we wet sand it. Beautiful surface.
Now we do the 1000. Okay, and now the 2000 grit sandpaper. And we'll use water.
Circular motions. Can we do it for about 5 minutes? Making sure we cover the whole surface. Keep it wet.
And now we're going to use the clarifying compound. Okay, now after we use the compound, then we spray the rest of the surface activator on there. And even though I'm not finished, already you can see that it's 100% better, and you can really clearly see the bulb in there and all that kind of stuff. Really drastic difference. And I'm not even done. Okay, and then the final step is putting on the UV clear coat, which should give it a nice shine and also protect it from the sunlight. Okay, and this is the final result, which looks really good, especially with that clear coat on there. Thanks for watching.